Safeties first. Dust mask. Goggle. All right, take a look. So, what I'm gonna do is use a center punch first before I start drilling. Show what the punch is. Oh, it's gonna just keep filming. So what I'm using is just this drill bit. It's not too small, not too big to start a pilot hole. A little bit of WD-40, just so it doesn't cause too much frictions. Make sure it's in reverse, because these are reverse bits. Okay, let's go back a little. Luckily, mine is just loose and I'm able to extract it. Look at that. That's how much it broke off. Let's see. About a little past 3/4 of an inch. There we go. So my next step is I'm just going to go ahead and install the new harmonic balancer and then install the belts, and the car should be up and running again. Well, thanks for your time. I know it's not a whole lot at the moment, but I was a bit concerned that I would have to either put in a new block or just scrap it because of the age of the vehicle. But again, the Isuzu Oasis, aka first generation Honda Odyssey, it's still in very good shape. It's got working AC. I've taken the van cross country, or partially cross country, about 3/4 of it 2 times already, and it's still running great. So I didn't feel like I want to scrap it yet because of its durability and dependability. So yeah, thanks for your time, guys.